Alright, you may have noticed that my sidebar is a little bit different than yours. That's because I changed it before making one of my videos. So if you want to change your sidebar to look like mine or change it to something else, then I'll show you how to do that. So the first step is to go to settings, and then you go to configure KMyMoney, and then you go to general, and then you go to views, and then right here it says type of the KMyMoney view. By default it's set to list, so let me show you what that looks like. I'll hit list and then hit apply. You see it has a lot larger icons, so that's what is selected by default. I had mine set to tree, so if I hit apply it'll look like this. And then the other view is tabbed, and so it'll list your accounts and ledgers and all these buttons across the top here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and change mine back to tree, and I'm gonna hit apply and then OK. Alright, in the next video I'll show you how to create transactions in your checking account.